In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a wall sit and also how to work your calf and soleus muscles doing calf raises at the same time. So firstly, a wall sit is going to put a lot of stress and activation onto the quadricep muscles, and we can get more bang for our buck by also doing a 2-in-1 that's going to get this calf and soleus area completely activated whilst we're doing the wall sit. So if you're looking for an exercise that's going to work not only your quads, but it's going to work your gastrocnemius and your soleus, maybe you're looking for alternative progressions on your plantar flexion exercises or your calf activation exercises, this exercise will be fantastic for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to do the wall sit, and then I'm going to go through how to do the calf raise separately. So all you need for this, as the name suggests, is a wall. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my back onto the wall. So I'm looking not only for my back to be on the wall, but I'm looking for my head to be on the wall as well. Now in this position, there's 2 cues. So what I want you to do is place the feet at hip width apart, facing directly forwards. So your feet aren't off to the side either way. You should be looking at your feet in this position, and they are like train tracks completely forwards. Now, what we also want is, now that them ankles and the feet are pointing forwards, we've got to have the same with the knee. So we want the knee to be tracking in line with the biggest toe or the second biggest toe. So if I look at my feet, for example, now, they're completely straight, and then I look at the knee, and the middle of my knee is tracking completely direct to that second biggest toe. Now, once we've got this position, we're going to then come out further, and now I'm looking to come into the wall sit. So we're looking realistically for a 90-degree angle, so a right angle at the knee when I come down into the position. If you can't get to a 90-degree angle, it's not the end of the world, just make it a goal for the future. And you don't need to come down any lower than 90 degrees, so you don't need to come more abrasive. If you was going to go more abrasive, you might as well use dumbbells at that point. So now I'm in my wall sit. I've got my 90-degree angle, the whole of my back and head is on the wall, and I'm going to come into my calf raises, bringing my heels only off the floor, contracting my gastrocnemius and soleus muscles, and I'm going to repeat these repetitions, bringing my heels up and back down until I've reached my desired amount of sets and repetitions. That's how to do a wall sit, and also how to work your plantar flexion, so your gastrocnemius and soleus muscles at the same time.